Welcome back to Houseboat Thai Kitchen channel. Today what we are going to make is Thai green curry with beef. The reason that I would like to make it today is because I just found this video. So I feel like I should make my Thai version. So let's see how I'm gonna make it. But you can also use lean meat, it's also fine. Marinate this with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a little bit of coconut milk. This would make the beef a little bit tender. Yeah, this is good. After that, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. Thai eggplant and soak in the water with salt. Otherwise, your eggplant will become black and it will give the bitter taste. If you cannot find the Thai eggplant, you can also use aubergine, but then you have to peel the skin out first and cut them and soak in the water with salt as well. I use the instant green chili paste that I bought from the supermarket. But to give the color and more taste, I will also add the garlic and green chili and lemongrass. And this is optional. This is the chili leaf, so you just use a few. So this will bring more green color into your curry. If you don't have it, then just skip it, it's fine. Again, think about someone you hate. So, koken in the koken then. Once the oil is hot, the red chili, turn off the stove and add the sweet basil.